Dates, those sweet, chewy fruits that look a bit like caramel nuggets. Ever wondered what would happen if you started eating 2 dates a day? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a world of surprising benefits and a few cautions that you might not expect. First off, let's talk about the good stuff. Dates are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, they can give you a significant health boost. For starters, they are rich in fiber, which means better digestion and a healthier gut. Imagine a world where constipation is a thing of the past. Yes, dates can help you achieve that. They keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract, so you can bid farewell to those uncomfortable, bloated days. Now, if you're tired of constantly fighting off colds or feel like you're always catching the latest bug, dates might be your new best friend. They are loaded with antioxidants, which help strengthen your immune system. It's like giving your body a protective shield against various illnesses. Plus, these antioxidants fight off harmful free radicals, which means they also have anti-aging properties. Who knew that something so sweet could help keep those wrinkles at bay? Feeling low on energy? Grab a couple of dates. They are an excellent source of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. This makes them the perfect snack for a quick energy boost. Forget those sugary energy drinks or candy bars. Dates provide a natural high without the crash. You'll be bouncing with energy, ready to take on whatever life throws at you. And speaking of sugar, if you're worried about your blood sugar levels, you might be pleasantly surprised to know that dates have a low glycemic index. This means they won't cause those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. They release their sugars slowly into the bloodstream, providing sustained energy without the roller coaster effect. So they're a great option even for those managing diabetes, as long as they are consumed in moderation. Now, let's get a little romantic. Dates have been considered an aphrodisiac for centuries. They are said to improve sexual stamina and performance. This might be due to their rich content of amino acids and natural sugars, which boost energy and stamina. So not only do dates keep your heart healthy, but they might also add a little extra spice to your love life. However, it's not all sunshine and roses with dates. Eating too many can lead to some less desirable effects. For one, dates are pretty calorie dense. Just 2 dates contain around 133 calories, so if you're munching on them like popcorn, you might find the scales tipping a bit more than you'd like. Moderation is key here if you're watching your weight. And while we're on the subject of moderation, dates are also high in natural sugars. Consuming them in large quantities can contribute to tooth decay, especially if you're not diligent with your oral hygiene. So brush those pearly whites thoroughly after indulging in these sweet treats. Another point to consider is that dates are high in potassium. While this is generally a good thing, too much potassium can be problematic for people with kidney issues. If you have kidney problems, it's best to check with your doctor before adding dates to your daily diet. Finally, let's talk about variety. While dates are amazing, they shouldn't be your only fruit source. Eating a diverse range of fruits and vegetables ensures you get a wide spectrum of nutrients. So think of dates as your special secret weapon rather than your sole source of nutrition. So there you have it. Eating 2 dates a day can bring a host of benefits, from better digestion and stronger immunity to increased energy and even a better love life. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation, and don't forget to mix things up with other fruits and veggies. If you like this deep dive into the world of dates, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and informative content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep munching on those dates.